Policies are vital in ensuring that restoration is made possible. The Policies and Institutional Arrangements Indicator highlights how committed a government is to its restoration promises, tracking relevant policies and institutional arrangements that support restoration. Welcome to the Policies and Institutional Arrangements Indicator. This indicator allows you to report up to 10 policies and other institutional arrangements. For each new policy, you will be asked to indicate the name of the policy, the year enacted, and the year ending, the restoration budget, the target in terms of hectares, and who is responsible for the implementation. Example, the Ministry of the Environment or the Ministry of Rural Development. You can also report any other information you might find useful to share, such as links, or who, for example, the policy was enacted through.